Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Vizio and connecting it to the same Wi-Fi network as your sending device. This is critical because mirroring requires both devices to communicate on one network. Once done, open the TV settings and look for Smart Cast, screen mirroring, or the casting option and enable it. Some models require enabling guest mode or pairing. While you do this, make sure your source device has Wi-Fi and any screen sharing feature enabled so it can discover the TV. Next, locate the casting control on your device and select the Vizio TV. On Android, swipe Quick Settings and tap Cast, and on iOS, open Control Center and choose AirPlay to find the TV. For laptops, use Windows Project Connect to a wireless display, or on Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Once you select the TV name, wait for the pairing prompt on the television and accept. Doing this lets the TV act as a wireless display and mirror audio and video streams. Finally, accept any prompts on the Vizio to complete pairing and verify the screen appears. If the image is cropped or lagging, change the TV input to Smart Cast or mirroring and adjust the source resolution to match the TV. If audio or video doesn't play, make sure the TV firmware and your device OS are up to date and restart both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if discovery fails, reboot the router and devices, then reconnect to the identical Wi-Fi network, so discovery and negotiation can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.